Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, in yesterday's video, I inform you that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are heading towards Addis Zaman and Ibnet. And according to latest reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are currently in control of Balisa, and many sources claim that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are rapidly moving towards Addis Zaman, which is located on A3 highway. Viewers, right now Tigray Defense Force soldiers is present in the surrounding areas of Addis Zaman and Ibnet, and Tigray Defense Force is trying to get control of Addis Zaman as soon as possible and want to block the A3 highway. Viewers, if Tigray Defense Force soldiers take control of Addis Zaman, then there are two options for Tigray Defense Force. Either they can move from Addis Zaman to Gondar, and second option is that they can move towards the capital of Amhara region, Bahirdar. Viewers, if Tigray Defense Force moves toward Bahirdar, then Tigray Defense Force will have to gain control over several more areas here, and Bahirdar is almost as far as Gondar from Addis Zaman. Bahirdar is situated 88 km from Addis Zaman, while Gondar is situated at a distance of 86 km from Addis Zaman. Viewers, according to reports, clashes between Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara forces, and Tigray Defense Force are ongoing in areas around Addis Zaman and Ibnet. And now Tigray Defense Force soldiers are trying to gain control over Addis Zaman. Viewers, on the other hand, a video has been shared on social media in which Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers can be seen with civilians. But due to the YouTube policies, we cannot share this video with you. Viewers, in this video can be seen that Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are firing indiscriminately on civilians. According to Tigray supporters, these are Tigrayan citizens who are being brutally murdered by Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, you can easily watch this video on social media, and it can be seen in this video that the bodies are being burned by the Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. And in many previous videos, I have informed you that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are present in the surroundings of Dessie. While till now no substantial success has been seen by Tigray Defense Force towards Dessie. According to reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers who are in the vicinity of Dessie are no longer moving forward, but they are in their positions around Dessie. Because at that time huge war is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara forces and Tigray Defense Force in the surroundings of Valdia and Marsa, and Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies are in an effort to gain control over Valdia or Marsa, and according to Tigray Defense Force, the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces is facing continuous failure at these locations. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.